I started by applying glittery pink shade from Los Angeles Beach Cosmetics palette, and we applied all over the lid and underbrow area. Then I'm applying Sunset Boulevard shadow into the inner and outer corners of eyes and blending it a little bit. Here, blending goes from inner corner to the middle of the eye and from outer corner to the middle of the eye. And then I'm using more peachy shade for crease and blending it with pink shadow. Instead of using eye pencils, I'm just using lip pencils, so here the place where you can really save money. And always remember to close your pencils because otherwise they will dry. When you draw eyeliner, you also want to stare yourself right into the eyes, and it would be the best thing to have your mirror right in front of you. And by the way, hi, my name is Rina, and today we're doing this pink makeup that was inspired by my new pink appearance. I know it's more magenta, but I like this color. So if you're into makeup, skincare, and creating the best version of yourself, you are very welcome to subscribe to my channel. And now we're getting to the part where I'm softening the eyeliner with a bit of black eyeshadow to give it more smoky look. And of course, we need to add something brighter here, so I'm brightening up this look with this pink magenta toned eyeshadow. Trust me, those small moves add all this juicy drama to the final look. We need to add a little bit of mascara here. If you're into lashes, use lashes. And we are moving to the face. I already have a bit of foundation on my face, so I'm not gonna cover it up. I'm moving straight into blush, and I really enjoy this blush from NYX. It's really well pigmented, so you don't really need to have a lot of space for this one. I've decided that this makeup is going to be soft, so I was not really into a lot of cream products. So after blush, I'm fixing everything with powder. I'm finishing off the face with some pressed contour and a touch of NYX blush. By the way, if you're into something really pigmented, try Buttermelt collection from NYX because it's really pigmented. I'm again sorry for my voice because I don't really have it, but I really wanted to share this tutorial with you. Hope you like it. If you do, let a comment down below and remember that you're already beautiful.